Hi families, I know that some of you are having some trouble figuring out just which printables are the ones to submit for assignments. So I'm going to walk you through that. I did try to link to them on the submission pages, but I found out that those links are just too fragile and it will not work. So two ways: you can either go over here to your to-do, or I like this one over here. This shows what still has to be completed, and if it's working properly, things will disappear as they get done. So I'm going to click here on Continental Divide. As long as you have done the lesson, you will get access to the assignment here. If you haven't done the lesson yet, it won't let you do it. All right, so you get to this page. This is the Submit Assignment page. If you're not sure which sheet is the Continental Divide sheet, here is an easy way to find it. It's just a couple steps. Go down here to Previous. This is going to get you to the previous lesson. All right, it brings you to the start of the lesson. The place where I have found, at least so far, that all of the assignments to be submitted can be found will be the last page of the lesson. So you go over here where it says 1 of 8. We're going to go to that last page of the lesson. Click on 8. There it is. It has a little printer symbol. It says Continental Divide, Submit Continental Divide. So you would click on it, print it out, fill it out, and then you can get back to that submission page either by going to the next button right there. That'll bring you to submit. Or if you did go back home, it's still there. You can still click on it to get back to that submission page. I hope that helps. Be patient. This will start to feel a lot easier after we've been doing it for a couple of weeks. So thanks for your patience.